Dear citizens of Kyrgyzstan, as we welcome the new year, on behalf of the Aga Development Network, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. May this year bring you peace, prosperity, family happiness, and success in all your endeavors. Let harmony, friendship, mutual respect, and hard work continue to strengthen the Kyrgyz Republic. As we embrace the new year, I believe that Kyrgyzstan will achieve new milestones and even greater progress fueled by the energy and determination of its people. The Aga Development Network reaffirms its dedication to supporting the economic priorities. The Aga Development Network reaffirms its dedication to supporting its country's priorities. We will continue to advance social development, enhance economic resilience, and drive inclusive, sustainable growth that benefits all. Together, let us build bright future of Kyrgyzstan. Жаңы жылыңыздар менен.